Ever wondered what the mother in vinegar is? Well, let's dive right into it. Vinegar, that tangy liquid we all know, is a byproduct of a fascinating process of fermentation, where alcohol gets transformed into acetic acid. This process is all thanks to a unique substance known as the mother. Now the mother, despite its rather name, is simply a combination of acetic acid bacteria and cellulose that forms during fermentation. It's this mother that gives some vinegar, like apple cider, a cloudy appearance. But it's not just for show. The mother is a powerhouse of beneficial bacteria and enzymes, contributing not only to the fermentation process but also imparting that characteristic tangy flavor we associate with vinegar. So, the next time you see a cloudy substance in your vinegar, remember, that's the mother working its magic. Don't forget to subscribe to Kelvin's Kitchen for more food knowledge and delicious recipes at your fingertips. But what role does the mother play in vinegar, you ask? Well, let's dive into it. The mother is an integral part of the fermentation process, the very lifeblood that transforms simple alcohol into the tangy, versatile vinegar we all know and love. It's a bustling community of acetic acid bacteria and cellulose that work tirelessly to create the vinegar's characteristic tangy flavor and cloudy appearance. Picture this, a lively, bustling city where everyone has a job to do, contributing to the greater good. That's the mother, in a nutshell, the bustling city of bacteria and enzymes working together to create something truly special. You'll often find the mother in unfiltered natural vinegars, such as apple cider vinegar, where it manifests as a cloudy substance. It's like a seal of authenticity, a mark of quality that indicates the vinegar you're using is the real deal. In essence, the mother is the heart of the vinegar, giving it its unique characteristics. Now, you might be wondering, does this mother have any benefits? Well, it's time to delve into the potential health perks of this seemingly mystical substance. The mother in vinegar is said to be rich in probiotics, the friendly bacteria that are often associated with a healthy gut. It's also believed to contain trace amounts of vitamins and minerals, making it a sort of nutritional powerhouse in its own right. Some folks even suggest that the mother can aid digestion. By promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria, it potentially eases digestive discomfort and keeps things running smoothly. Not just that, it's also thought to boost overall gut health, which is a key player in our immunity and even mental well-being. Yet, it's important to remember that while these benefits sound promising, the scientific evidence is still catching up. As always, it's a good idea to consult your healthcare professional for personalized advice. Though the scientific evidence is limited, many people swear by the health benefits of the mother. So, how do you choose your vinegar? The answer lies in understanding your needs. If you're seeking potential health benefits, you might lean towards vinegars labeled as containing the mother. This is the murky, cloudy substance you'll often see in bottles of apple cider vinegar, for instance. It's a natural byproduct of the fermentation process, housing beneficial bacteria and enzymes. On the other hand, if your primary concern is flavor or household use, the presence or absence of the mother becomes less crucial. The mother doesn't significantly alter the taste or quality of the vinegar. So, whether you're whipping up a salad dressing, marinating meat, or using vinegar as a cleaning agent, you can choose freely based on your preference for flavor intensity or acidity level. Remember, there's a world of vinegars out there, from the rich, complex balsamic to the light, crisp rice vinegar. Explore, experiment. Whether it contains mother or not, vinegar remains a versatile ingredient in your kitchen and beyond. As we've explored, vinegar is a versatile ingredient with a variety of uses and potential health benefits. But how can you elevate your vinegar game? Start by experimenting with different types. Try a tangy apple cider vinegar in your next salad dressing or a robust balsamic glaze for your grilled veggies. You might even venture into the world of fruit vinegars for a unique twist on your favorite dishes. And don't forget, vinegar isn't just for the kitchen. It's a handy household tool for cleaning and gardening. So, whether you're a foodie exploring new flavors or a homemaker seeking natural alternatives, there's a vinegar out there for you. And remember, like any culinary adventure, becoming a vinegar connoisseur is about exploration, experimentation, and most importantly, enjoyment. So pour, taste, and savor the journey. And before we wrap up, remember to subscribe to Kelvin's Kitchen for more food knowledge and delicious recipes at your fingertips. We're always cooking up something interesting, don't miss out. Join our food-loving community today.